Last week marks the first 6 months of my journey with my Ativa. Due to travel limitations in the past few months, my odometer is only about 3300 km, but since I have hit the first 6 months time frame, it is time to send it for the first official service. If you watched my previous video, I experienced a rattling sound from the center console, which I suspect is due to loose wiring hitting the plastic frame of the center console. However, I did not hear that rattling sound anymore in the past month, so I decided not to inform the service advisor about it because I think it is better to leave it as it is if the rattling sound is already gone. The first 1000 km is only inspection, but I don't know why they label this as the second service. Well, the good news is the first 10,000 km service label is free of charge, so the total cost is estimated at RM187.90. Comparing this estimated cost with Perodua official site, the first 10,000 km for Perodua Ativa is about RM160.50, which consists of fully synthetic engine oil, oil filter and gasket. The cost quoted from the service center is slightly higher because of the windshield washer and injector cleaner. This can be opted out if I wanted to, but I decided to just go ahead with it since I have already saved more than RM20 in purchasing the RM100 e-voucher via You First Redeem and Reward campaign. The total waiting time is only about 35 to 40 minutes. Once done, I saw they placed the leftover Perodua fully synthetic oil bottle on the front passenger floor. Here's a quick look at the Perodua fully synthetic oil bottle. I also realized the petrol consumption is getting better over time compared to the first couple of months after getting the car. Now I can get around 460 km on average with 60% highway and 40% city. Not to mention, a full tank refill for me is about 30 to 31 liters, which is around RM60 with the rate of RM2.05 per liter. How about you? Do let me know how's your petrol consumption these days in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.